Holy pinkies up, baby. What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be taking you on a tour of the 2027 Riverstone Legacy 421 FK, the creme de la creme of Forest River. And man, starting off, does this paint job not look awesome? But you also have different exterior options, so I definitely encourage you, if you are interested in this, to check out their website to see what kind of designs that they have. Maybe you want to save a little bit of money and go with their new fiberglass exterior here with the Awnings, where the only thing that's different is that exterior paint. Now, one thing that they are doing here on the outside that I'll touch on here real quick that I found really interesting before we do the full tour is they went with a screen printed door. So they used to paint the doors, but you know, people would chip them, people would dent them, they'd move their, you know, their stairs in and they'd chip away that paint. Now they're doing a silk screen door. If something happens to it, you can actually get in another one, you know, if any warranty claim or kids scuff them or do whatever. And I just thought, man, this was so sharp. There's also a package where you can put it on the windows too, and it looks absolutely incredible. So that way your whole design is basically one rolling paint. But like I said, 2027 Riverstone Legacy Edition 421 FK Scaroni. Here are going to be some of the specifications there for you, some of the different options, like that all steel upper deck construction. That's why they are a little bit heavier, running in at 19.5. That's because they're using a little bit steel. They're also using composite slide fours, Kurt TCS suspension system. I'll give you a little bit of a better look of that down below. They're also using the Truma on-demand water heater, which is a little bit juiced up. But I've showed this floor plan before. It's not completely new and out there, but I'll tell you, man, it is one of, in my opinion, the finest floor plans in the game. I am a big fan of a front kitchen, as you guys know. I think, what was the other one that I liked years ago? I think it was the 442 FK. They have the 42 FSKG that they used to have. I'm a sucker for a front kitchen. I mean, any brand, really. Come and get it, baby. I'm a man that likes to cook. I'm a big belly, beautiful man that loves RVs, baby. So right here, you got yourself the waterfall finish. So babe, if you're watching, I love you. You also have the power tower on either side here in the island, and that was a horrible way to show that. I should have gone right on over to here, where you see the two outlets, the USB and the universal C. But also, more on the kitchen is also kind of the way that it's designed out, where you have the two-seater dinette to do that little over perch, where you can still watch TV on your 65-inch TV with the soundbar system and your fireplace to keep you nice and a roasty and a toasty. But you got enough room with the fact this is a wide body constructed unit here to get around on the island and still maintain a pretty darn good size. You have one of the fanciest microwaves known to man with the Slim Fry microwave. I mean, it's got a mode to reheat pizza slices. I don't know how rich you have to be to want a microwave that has a mode purely to reheat pizza slices, but show me the ways. If you guys are doing something and you know what I do and you think you could help me improve my income, let me know, because you guys are definitely worth listening to, I can tell you that. So right here, you got your dovetail construction. You got a place for your utensils. You can also pop this out too as well. Dual pane windows here as well are going to be, I think, an option. I'm not sure if they're optional, if they're standard anymore at this point. But you can do that. It's going to be an insulated door, and you also notice you got the wood valances around it as well. 6 different pull-out drawers. You saw the pull-out trash can, and then around the door itself around the refrigerator itself is going to be a lot of storage. So good place for, you know, blenders, good place for a Keurig machine, whatever it is that you want to do. What do you guys think of the accent lighting below, the accent lighting above, with the kind of the black top here? Too. It's pretty darn neat. You got yourself the dual outlets right there, and then bada bing bada boom. You can also close that up with your copper tabs. Open up this, and you got some good pull-out drawers, and even those are going to be soft close again. So Riverstone is going to be Forest River's, you know, top of the line, and then next up you got your, like, you know, your Cedar Creeks, your Columbuses, you know, things of that nature. But man, real wood for the cabinetry. I've actually seen them put those things on. It's actually pretty cool just to see them whipping around down at the factory. Emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. Head height in here too. What did I say? Probably about 6'4" or so. You got the dual split under-mounted bowl for the sink with the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. And then right here, you got yourself, you know, the old dishwasher, so you are good to go. All right, flip it around. You're gonna get your 4-top burner to whip up all the fixings. You also got enough room in the oven to cook a turkey in that bad boy. Plus, look at that, 2 more pull-out drawers there. And then you also get the Whisper Quiet AC system there too as well. So no exposed AC. It'll be nice and quiet there for you, and you're good to go. Back down the perch. You notice I'm heading down the 2 steps. Now, before we go to the living room and the bedroom, the 2 steps are going to have some pull-out space right there, but also you got your fuse box here. You're also going to see that you got a place where you can, hang a hoodie on me. And then you got the BM Pro. It's where you're going to have your lights, your awning controls. Everything is really nice and easy. Everything's really well put together. And then you also have a couple different options of furniture color, so you can go with a darker furniture if you would like, but it's extend and retract for the recliners. You also have cup holder, and then the USB there as well. Flip it around, you get a pull-out sofa with, again, the emergency exit, so pull, push, and plop. You're also going to have the Dracula shade, the day and night shade, and then you got your overhead storage there too as well. Flip it around, again, we got that back up to the 65-inch TV ski, sound bar, and then the fireplace again to help keep you nice and warm. In an RV with 3-inch thick walls and the upgraded insulation, you're going to get a lot of value out of that electric heater too. Flush mount floor system with the desk. I think that's a really pretty shot right there. I just think it looks cool, especially to see it, kind of in action, where you got your little golden birds, each one for each laptop there. 2 mouses, 2 birds, 2 laptops. Oh yeah, I forgot too. I don't know how I forgot. I kind of did forget though. It does have the Starlink package on there, which is pretty cool. I don't know a ton about Starlink, but I've heard some amazing things about it. I'm actually about to get it on my RV itself. Coming up the doorway, bada bing, bada boom. I mean, you got the accent lighting, you got pull-out drawers for days, you got the dual vanities here as well, and then you have the mirror, perfect place to show off the old bowling gun, baby. Open that up. You are good. Oh, I like that little laundry hoop. So you got the porcelain foot flush Throne-A-Rooski there for the toilet. You can see you got enough room to take care of business here on either side. You also have your towel racks, and then of course you got a place where you can put the old Steamer Stink Sucker 3000 right here onto the shower. I mean, I love the wavy look to it. You got about 2 roundies can fit into here, and yeah, place for your soaps, your shampoos. You got your water spouts. Not too bad, baby. Not too bad. Forgot I was wearing my glasses. It's a good look. It's a good looking rig right there. All right, so moving around right here, you got your king bed, so you can do snugglies in the bed. I was going a different direction there, and I stopped myself. All right, so right here, you're gonna see reading light, window that opens. You also have about 6'4" for head height. You're gonna see a smart TV right over here, and then you have your emergency exit, so pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. Moving on along, you got your washer and dryer. Love to see that. And then you got your overhead storage, your hanging storage. Of course, you see your central vac system as well. And then bada bing, bada boom. But all right, guys, I think that about wraps it up here for the inside portion of this tour. Now I'm going to head around the outside and talk to you about a couple things, show you a couple things. If you guys don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button. If you're new, drop a fist bump. I'll hit you one with one back. But we're on the exterior here. Again, 2021 Riverstone Legacy 421 FK. Here are going to be all the specifications, about 19.5, 44 feet, 7 inches there. Actually, one thing before we head out to the front, I want to show you this. So you got the steps that just flip up right there. So anytime you see this type, it just means it's going to be a little bit easier. So, if you got some shoulder problems, you got some grandkids, you got something going on like that, you don't have to worry about bonking your head or slamming it down. Like I said at the beginning of the tour, you do have multiple different exteriors you can choose from, so I encourage you to check out their website and let them share with you what you want in case you want to order one. Slide toppers coming in with the metal wrap top. You're also going to get your 4-camera safety system here on this model as well, which is nice. So you can see what's going on behind you, what's going on the side. You know, imagine if that slide's gone, you get a really nice shots when you're switching lanes. Again, you're buying a luxury item, you want some luxury features to it, and that's definitely going to be, you know, one of them. You got your LED lights coming up in the front, and at night it shows up. It's kind of an aggressive look to it. It looks pretty badass. And then you got your Curt Helix. One thing they did change for 27 is they went away from the singular big door here, and now they got the 3. So they're, well, that part's locked, but now they're all locked. But I'll show you over on this one here because it's going to be the same thing. But you got the top portion here. You're going to see that you got the sine wave inverter, so it's a 2,000 watt inverter. You also got your hydraulic controls, and then, you know, you got room if you want to put in, you know, a generator or something of that nature. 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. You got some pass-through storage with a toy hauler bottom here for you. You also have some access to some of your storage over there. And then, you know, you got your 40-pound propane bottles. This is going to be where your TV is going. And then you do have the Curt touring suspension system, so it's going to have an actual shock that's underneath there. Actually, let's see here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. I couldn't really see it there. Massive storage. Love the hooks that they got here. Sorry if it's a little loud. We got a generator. And then you got the big boy storage here in the back with the MORryde slide tray, and you can see how far that comes out. Another thing that they're rocking too is they have a ladder that helps you get up on top of the footing. So you angle that in and you come on up, you get on top of that roof. You know, you check your seals, you check your slides, make sure everything is on the up and up. Black tank, gray 2, gray 3. All clickable, city water connection, black tank flush along with your different bypass valves, and then you have hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower there too. Suburban furnace. You also have your auto leveling there, your water filtration system, and your battery disconnect. And then this area over here is going to be your battery trays, which you can pull out to get a little bit more room. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2027 Riverstone Legacy 421 FK. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See ya.